Cleaning is the process of removing dirt, dust, and waste from our surroundings. It's important to clean the home, classroom, and environment to prevent diseases and ensure comfort. A clean environment promotes health, reduces germs, and makes people feel happy and safe. Cleaning tools like broom, brush, mop, and bucket help to remove dirt. Agents like water, soap, and disinfectant kill germs. Steps include wearing gloves, gathering tools, cleaning from top to bottom, and rinsing surfaces. Cleaning tasks include sweeping, dusting, and mopping, done with care to avoid damage or injury. Pupils should participate in keeping their home and school clean during morning duties and sanitation days.